Hello everyone. Hello. Today we will make coffee painting like this. So you will need any chart paper and you can take canvas also, and coffee and fabric glue you will need, and Fevicol. So let's start. I am changing my camera angle. You can see it easily. So first of all we will make drawing on this like this. And then we will make like this whole side in circle. Then we'll make design like this. Like this we'll make it in whole side. Just like this I did it already. Then you can take other design also, and we will apply Fevicol on whole side. We will take Fevicol. And then we will take some coffee, and we'll mix it like this. Mix it well, and then we will apply it on whole side. We will apply it in whole side. Today we'll make so beautiful painting, coffee painting like this. You can see it. I can read your message, you can ask me. It is Fevicol and coffee. Only this thing I use now. It is ready. Now I keep this brush in water, otherwise it will be hard. Then we will apply fabric glue on this as an outliner. It is like Fevicol, and we will apply on this design. Is it visible? Any problem you can ask me if you have any problem. We will apply it in whole side. Then we'll make it in whole side. It is Fabricil fabric glue paint. This is Fevicol like outliner. Now we will make like this in whole side. What are you applying? Yeah, it is Fevicol. I applied first of all. We take some coffee and Fevicol. Then I mix with some water. Then I applied in whole side. Then after I am apply just as a outliner this Fevicol fabric glue. And yes, if you are any question, going outline with fabric glue. Ma'am, are you giving outline with, yeah, fabric glue. Uh, Camera, is it visible? You can message me. I am able to read your message. Silpi Kumari, or if you not understand anything, you can ask me. We need to control this on our end because it is very sleeping on this page, because it is heavy call. It is very sleepy. Now it is complete. No, something here. Okay, now after dry we will color this with this coffee. It is not dry yet, that's why I colored this with this after 5 minutes ago. It is not dry yet, and we will set on any ply and coat. We can make it directly on canvas board, but I am doing like this. You can make this canvas also. Okay, now I am explaining how to color this with coffee. We will make like this. So first of all we take some Fevicol. Yeah, is it visible? कैमरा बिंग आउटलाइन किससे कर रहे हैं? नीलम चोपड़ा। अच्छा, मैं इससे फैब्रिक ग्लू से आउटलाइनिंग किया है मैंने। और सबसे पहले मैंने इसको बेस चढ़ाया है फेविकॉल से और कॉफ़ी से। एनी क्वेश्चन? नीलम चोपड़ा, आर यू अंडरस्टैंड? We will take some water and mix it. We will make 2 or 3 shades with this coffee, dark color and light color. मैंने इससे आउटलाइनिंग किया है फैब्रिकल से, और मैं कॉफ़ी से बना रही हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच। ओके, नाउ we will apply like this. It is not dry yet, Fevicol. we fill in this. Like this we will fill. We will make 2 or 3 shades like this. And we will make light this color with this blue, just light for this. After dry we will paint this, but now I am just explaining. It is not dry yet, it is still wet. Is it coffee plus water or Fabicol? Prachi Agrawal. Yes, first of all I applied Fabicol and coffee and take some water. Then I mix and I applied it in whole side. Then after I applied this fabrical glue as an outliner. Now I am filling this color in this light color in outside and dark color in this side. This color. In which paper do you draw this? Nothing. It is chart paper. I made on this like this chart paper. Just chart paper it is. And I applied this Fabicol. Then it is very. It is. Now it is very smooth paper. Without Fabicol, if I use this, then it will be like rough paper. But I applied Fabicol as a base, then it is not a simple paper, it is very shinier. You can see it is very shinier. And is it coffee base? It is paper. Okay, ask me other question. I can read your message. We will apply dark color in this design. How you made 3D line just joined? How you made 3D lines means? Sonia Mehta, what do you want to ask? How you made 3D lines? In this fabrical glue, I made this outline. We can make 3-4 shade with this water. We can take some water to make dark color, and when we take so many water, then we can make light color. like this. It is very it is not dry yet, but I am explaining just after dry you will feel this. And it is very shinier. Just it is a chart paper, but it is shinier now because I applied Fevicol on this whole side. For mix some Nescafe coffee. You can take any coffee powder. See this one, I did it without Fevicol base. I made this and I applied Fevicol on this. It is very shinier, but it is not like this. And I will make this design on here. After this, I will explain how to sketch this. Now we will make some light. How are you made 3D? Okay. Ask me other question if you not understand anything. Then we can fill light color in this. And if you want to mm, if you want to make some yellow color in this, you can take some yellow paint and mix it, and you can take some brown paint and black paint also and mix it in. Then you can make so many shades. Okay, now we will do this slide. I hope you understand now. And now I am explaining how to sketch this. Okay, we will take a scale and pencil just, and we will sketch a slant line like this. Then we will sketch on this area. Is it visible? Now we can again sketch on slant line like this. Like this. Then we'll apply Fevicol with a coffee on this. Other question? Ask me. How will you make? Okay. Just like this, we'll sketch this, and then we will again sketch slant line like this. Just slant line we will sketch. Now we'll sketch on this side. it is center. It is center, and we will sketch slant line like this. Again, I hope you understand. We will make like this, and it is dry now. Now I'm going to color this like this. It is shinier and it is not so much because I applied Fevicol in this base. So I'm explaining here. It is not dry yet. We will fill color, dark color in this area and mix like shading, dark to light, just like dark color and light. This I'm explaining here because it is dry now. First of all, we sketch on this area its final design. Then just outline. We will highlight its outline and lines in how to much distance. This line. Sonia Mehta, what do you want to ask? Listen, how lines in how much distance? Just uh, like slant line only we sketch like this. Tirchi rekha we will sketch just टेढ़ा line, and then again we will just sketch on this, and just only we will sketch slant line like this, just टेढ़ा like this. Yeah, okay. Then we just apply this coffee on this line, beside of this line, just and you can see it is shinier and it is not shinier because I applied Fevicol as a base, just like this. It is shinier, so much shinier, and when you apply directly this glue and you not apply this Fevicol, then it will not shinier, just like this. It is not so much good. And we just apply beside of this line like this. Just I applied beside of this line and we did the shade on this. Lastly I will shade this just like this. When we made flower, we always give the shading there, just like this. We will give the shade on this. Is it visible? Now I applied some light yellow paint on this and orange color, you can see it. I applied orange color and just brown color is also, and I did this design with red pen. You can apply red pen to make like this, make like this design. You can apply red pen in this for make so many design in very small way. If you apply red pen in this for make it complete, then we will just give the shading like this. And we will apply this color in just this Fevicol area beside of this Fevicol, just as a line. Okay, I hope you understand this. It is dry now. It is little dry. We will make like this. First of all, we apply Fevicol and coffee. We'll make dark color for fill this design, and you can take some fabric color, yellow paint, orange paint, and dark brown, black. You can apply in this and mix it. We will make like this. It is not dry yet. Okay. Ask me any question if you want to ask. No any question? So we'll make like this, and this I applied yellow paint on this and orange paint here, and we will fill in whole side. Dry yet, that's why, and just only explain this. Okay, we will meet again tomorrow same time 3 p.m. and we will make this painting tomorrow same time 3 p.m. we will meet again, and we will make with this 3D outliner. Okay, bye.